Welcome to another exciting journey into the mysteries of the cosmos. Today, we're delving into the intriguing topic of the multiverse and its connection to various cosmological theories. From inflation to string theory, we'll explore how these concepts are reshaping our understanding of the universe. To kick things off, let's begin by understanding what the multiverse really is. Imagine a vast cosmic tapestry, where each thread represents a separate universe with its own set of physical laws and constants. The inflationary universe. Our first stop is the concept of cosmic inflation. It proposes that the universe underwent an exponential expansion in its earliest moments, a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. This rapid expansion can explain the large-scale uniformity we observe in the cosmos today. The multiverse connection. But how does inflation tie into the multiverse? Some inflationary models suggest that this exponential expansion might still be ongoing in some regions, creating bubble universes within the larger multiverse. Now, let's relate these theories to everyday life. Think about the decisions you make every day. Every choice you make, big or small, could potentially create a branching universe, according to the many worlds interpretation. For example, consider a time you had to choose between two job offers or deciding what to have for dinner. Each choice creates a new you in a separate universe, living out different possibilities. Types of multiverses. There are different types of multiverses. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that every possible quantum outcome creates a branching of universes. Meanwhile, the landscape multiverse in string theory envisions countless universes with different sets of physical constants. String theory's role. Let's talk about string theory. It's an ambitious framework aiming to unify all fundamental forces and particles. In this theory, the multiverse arises from the complex geometry of extra dimensions. Parallel universes. String theory suggests that the extra dimensions allow for universes to exist alongside one another, separated by a brane. These parallel universes can have different physical properties, and our universe might be just one among many. Speaking of string theory and parallel universes, think about a time when you had a dream that felt so vivid and real. In string theory, these parallel universes are like different dreams, coexisting alongside one another. Perhaps in one universe, you followed a different career path, and in another, you explored a completely different hobby. Observational challenges. While the multiverse and cosmological theories are captivating, they also pose significant challenges for observation and testing. The sheer vastness and diversity of the multiverse can make it difficult to obtain direct evidence. Potential signatures. Scientists are actively searching for potential signatures of the multiverse, such as cosmic microwave background patterns and the existence of other bubble universes. However, these investigations are still in their early stages. While it's challenging to directly observe the multiverse, consider this: when astronomers study the cosmic microwave background radiation, it's like examining ancient snapshots of the universe's history. These patterns could potentially reveal clues about our place in the multiverse. It's like being an archaeologist, piecing together clues from the past to understand our cosmic origins. The future of cosmology. As we wrap up our journey, we're left with more questions than answers. The multiverse and cosmology are pushing the boundaries of our understanding, offering fresh perspectives on the cosmos. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the multiverse and its connection to cosmological theories. While these ideas may seem far-fetched, they remind us that the universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of endless possibilities. As we continue to unlock the secrets of the universe, we'll keep seeking answers to the big questions that inspire us all. Stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time, I'm Cosmic Parallelism, signing off.